Laura, help me! Get out here!
Run! Quickly go past it.
Good morning! With Laura, with her monster.
Right.
We're off to the Bird and Deer Park, which should be fun. Very excited. We've got to change to feed the deers and the birds. And the fish, actually. There's fish too. See you there. Well, we've got to the deer park and it is absolutely tipping it down. But as you saw, we left and it was bright sunshine. And now it's raining, and I mean the deer are going to be in their houses, the ducks are going to be hidden away, and I'm not getting wet and muddy because it will be muddy now. So, but to be honest, me and Laura are quite hungry. It's only 20 past 11. It's not clock right. 20 past 11, but we're going to try to go for a Toby carvery. I don't know if we'll try again after because it's going to be muddy. So.
And you got your new shoes on.
I've got my new shoes on, I don't want to ruin them, so we're gonna go eat and I'll see you later. Try the drink. Trust me.
Trust you.
Just trust me.
I don't. This one.
Yeah, tell me what you think.
It stinks. You put every flavour in.
No, I haven't. Did you used to do that when you were a kid?
No, that's what it smells like.
Try it, tell me what.
It smells like something fruity and
I'll have it after, I'll give you a new. They've got strawberry, vanilla and lime flavour Coke. Is it not nice?
It's not fruity. I don't really like I only like cherry Coke. I'm guessing that's strawberry. Tastes like mine, is it?
Tastes like, yeah.
Save one.
I thought I'd trick her first. We're very early for the Toby carvery, so we're just waiting so we can feast. But yeah, no deer and bird park today, which is, we're really sad about that.
We can always go in there for Christmas. We wanted to do a Christmas thing anyways, didn't we?
Yeah, I think they do it all out, like Christmas stuff at Christmas. So I think we're going to pop into town after, go to Hotel Chocolat, so we'll take you along with that. Bye-bye. Hello, so we've eaten. Do not get the lime Coca-Cola. Sorry, Pepsi, it's horrible, but yes to the strawberry. So we have made it to Prinknash Abbey Deer and Bird Park, and there is a brand new baby reindeer, so that's cool. We got our food, so we're gonna try and feed stuff, and there's goats here, and it's all very exciting, so we'll show you around. And there's lots of peacocks too. Oh, and a Laura!
Don't mind me, I'm just feeding the bird.
The birds have separated us. Will we? Come this way. Go away. I mean, I know I've come to feed you, but look at Laura. Come on. No idea. Well, that was scary. They sort of, the birds wedged themselves in between us. Look at him pouting towards us. Ah!
Dude, that bird knows.
He knows. Oh my god! Ah! No.
Yeah, I don't like that. That one's a bit big.
It's like The Walking Dead. You've got to like think fast, chuck the food. I don't know. It's nothing like The Walking Dead actually.
I've never seen it.
You've not seen The Walking Dead? Oh my god, they like run towards us. It's because me and Laura are the only people in here.
It's like a park more.
So they're not getting a barrage of food, they're just getting us, so. Yeah. Great. Hello. Hello. Can I stroke you? You gonna bite me? Yeah.
Hello. Oh, that's cute. He just knows that I've got food in my hand. Hello.
Are you gonna feed out your hand?
No.
Go on.
No, I'm just gonna put it on the floor. I don't have very much anyway, so they will eat it literally straight up. Hello, little goat.
Touch him.
Should I give him some from my hand?
Yeah, do it.
I'm scared. Go and then take it. Oh, you just lick.
I'm gonna let him feed out of my hand. Ed would be so proud of me if I can do this.
Just lick. They don't do anything.
Do they?
Yeah.
Not the big one, no. I want the little one. Oh! I got stuff on.
They just lick. Just put your hand. Yeah, look.
See? I did it. I did it. Did you see that? I did it. Even though I really didn't do it. But we tried to feed some giraffes and
Giraffes?
yeah. At Longley, and I just screamed and put them down.
Huge. I would scream at it.
Yeah. So I've just purchased a new house. So welcome. Come on in. Come on in.
I was talking about Teddy's been in there.
I swear to God, if there's a spider in here, and some little stairs. Come on. Come on, Laura.
Oh my God, there's so many cobwebs.
Come on.
I can't. I can feel something crawling in my head. I swear.
There's nothing. Come on.
Amy.
If I could do it. If I can feed a goat.
It's too small.
If I can feed a goat, you can too. If I see a spider, I will die.
You do it.
Come on. Welcome to my house.
Amy, your house is shit.
Don't swear.
Oh, sorry.
Come on. I can stand up. And a little window.
Oh, we gotta get back. Oh my God.
It's so hard to climb. It's freezing and
Yeah, Amy, what are you eating at?
we need to put the heat in. Isn't that cold?
I don't know how long the bear's been out. They must be really old.
Night night. Oh, it doesn't swing.
No.
Right, let's go have some dinner at the table.
How old are you?
26. Oh. She just kicked me in the bum.
Sorry. That was an accident.
Oh my God.
Do you know what I was saying to you about my shoes making my feet feel big and I don't understand? I'm scared for my life right now.
Last time I came here there was like cups and plates. So
I don't think I'm gonna fit. I feel like Alice when she grows in the house. Do you know what I'm on about?
yeah.
That's what I feel. There's a Dorito.
Oh.
You need to clean. No, your house is dirty. Oh my God, your house is surrounded by a giant, like, turkey. We are officially trapped.
Should we go out for the day?
Yeah, can't we? There's like a dead spider right there. Called it.
What do you think?
Don't forget to lock up now.
Here's my pet turkeys. Right, I think we are going to go and find the rare. Is it deer? It's just deer. Laura, help me! Get out here!
Run! Quickly go past it. I'm stuck. Amy, oh my God.
Oh my God, oh my God. Help me! Help me!
That's not me chicken. I got stuck.
Help me! Help me!
Jesus. Yeah, we're not going in this bit. Large, white, red beak. They can be aggressive during breeding season. Yeah, damn fucking right they can.
He hit me.
He just wanted you to.
So that was intense, so we decided not to go into that part because I got nipped on the bum, and Laura tried to save me by throwing stuff and it just didn't work. It was the funniest thing ever. You proper nipped my bum. I wish.
She was stood there freaking out over a chicken and I was like, Amy, there's a goose, right, coming straight at you and you're scared of a chicken.
I didn't see it coming. I didn't see it. So now we found
the baby deer.
This is Lottie, the baby deer. We're going to go and get some food for them in a minute, but... Hello! Oh my god, you're so cute! I don't have anything yet, I'm so sorry. Oh my god,
I don't have anything either.
You're so soft.
Oh, you're lovely.
Oh,
Bless you.
bless you! You're tiny as well. Hello! Oh my gosh.
She's so warm.
Yes.
Even her nose is like warm as hell.
Hello. Oh, they don't really like being touched. Oh, bless you. Aww.
They're really spotty, aren't they?
So we've been to my house, now we're going to go to Laura's house.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, coming towards us.
Oh no.
Get in, get inside, get inside. Oh great, this is a good house of yours. Oh my god. I think they're safe.
I don't like these ones.
They're okay, they're fine, they're fine. They're fine, just... We're okay, now we're surrounded. We're good.
A little bit. We're far away enough. Oh my god. I think we're far away from the deer enough to, you know what, screw my house, it's a shit house anyway. Oh my god, swearing, sorry.
So we're back in the enclosure where I was attacked, but the... they're all the way down. They're all the way down there, and I don't think they've noticed us yet. So that's good. There's some wild deer over here, so I don't know how they differ from the ones you just saw there, but these are they're really cute. So yeah, hopefully we won't get attacked in here.
Yeah, they're definitely.
Alright, Dr. Doolittle. I want to see that run again, that was so funny.
Yeah, I'll try and make it come over. But I am literally nearly out of feed.
Are you? I got another bag.
It's because I was saving your ass from geese and feeding them for you.
Hey!
It isn't going to run, is it? Maybe if you put some food down, you might run for you.
Ooh, waiting patiently.
I feel like they're edging closer.
Yeah,
One more meter. Run, little chickens.
he's really just
In proper hops. Dunna. Dunna, dunna. Dunna, 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 dunna. Laurie, get the gate ready. I feel like that one's going for you and this one's going for me. Oh, are they playing? Cute. Fuck! I have to run. walking back to the park now. We had a really good time. The deers were so cute, even though I was attacked by the biggest goose I ever did see. What did you think, Laura?
I thought it was very fun, and I think we should come here again when the donkeys back.
Yeah, so the donkeys go to, where do they go?
They go on like a holiday for winter.
Yeah, so they weren't there. But I don't think you can get close to them anyway. I think they're actually in an enclosure, so you can't actually touch them.
I didn't see any like donkey food or anything. So.
There was no donkey food. There was.
I don't know if they just eat the same kind of pellets, but I don't know.
I don't know. I don't think so. So I'll see you later. Goodbye.